Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I wanted to show you something that's kind of interesting, kind of unique. It's regarding utility stations. That's what they call it, utility stations on typically shortwave. And that is stations that are not international broadcast stations. So they're like pilots trying to talk to each other and trying to call in using HF because they're a long ways from their base, or their UHF, VHF radios just won't get much distance and they need a distance call. Could be people, fishing people, marine. Could be people broadcasting, pirates. Could be all that's the thing. It's all kinds of things, and just you can hear a lot of things between the international broadcast bands. And this is a group, a users group. It's a Google I/O users group called UDXF, and I've signed up for that, and I've signed up for a lot of groups, maybe a dozen of these groups like this on various subjects. That's why I get like 800 emails a day, because you can sign up and say, okay, send me the emails of things are posted, or you can say, send me an email with the postings once a day or something like that, so you don't get so many individual emails. I want to know what's going on right now, so every one of them come to me individually. And here's some recent ones right here. And the one that caught my eye was this one right here. RUAF, Russian Air Force, pilot on 6.685 megahertz. So let's click on that. And then there's 3 messages related to this one, responses in the original post. But here, I think this one is the original post, and he says, at 6685 kilohertz, RU Air Force aircraft, AC, calling Kozar, Moscow headquarters. But no joy. That means she didn't get any reception. And here's actually a recording of it. Let me see if it'll play. Well, it's weak. Okay, that's good enough. And so this gentleman apparently knows what that is. If I heard that, I wouldn't recognize it, but he recognized it as a Russian pilot. That's too cool. And he didn't give any details of what he used to receive this as far as radio and antenna, but I'm sure this is one of the persons that posts a lot, and he's probably got posted where he actually tells you what radios he's using, where he's located. Might even be located over there near Russia. So maybe this plane was flying overhead. It could be. But I thought I'd just let you know about this group. It's let me see if I click on here, to show the group. Yeah, there it is. And I've showed it to you once before. UDXF, this is the group. Utility DXers forum. And you can join this forum. And you can see this is the number of messages per month. There's lots of messages. So these guys are active. Pretty cool. Check it out. This is, again, a Google I/O group. And if I go up here, I'll show you my groups. These are the groups I joined. You're familiar with SDR Play and Ultralight. It's another group. And this is the other SDR radio group. Another SDR. Lots of groups. Take a look at this and have a great day. Bye-bye.